Scoring strategies are a way of determining how many and which answers are correct. Based on these, you will then be able to assign points to individual answers. To assign a scoring strategy, select Score Logic, and then select one of the strategies. The available scoring strategies are One Scored Answer and Any Scored Answer. The One Scored Answer strategy refers to a situation where only one answer is correct. When selecting this option, specify the point value that the correct answer will receive. The Any Scored Answer strategy is a scenario in which there is no correct answer. Here, each answer is scored, and it is the role of the questionnaire creator to assign each answer the value they deem appropriate. In the drop-down bar with the available scoring strategies, the first option is Disable. This option disables the collection of points, so with this option you can reverse your decision to collect points on a particular question.